Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by enabling Bluetooth in settings and putting the shutter remote into pairing mode. This is necessary so the phone can see the device. Once Bluetooth scans, tap the shutter name to pair. Make sure you accept any pairing prompts. You should keep the camera app closed while pairing to avoid permission conflicts. Doing so ensures Android registers the remote as an input device rather than a camera app accessory. After pairing, confirm the device shows as connected in Bluetooth settings. Now open the camera app and grant camera and microphone permissions if requested, because the shutter sends input events that map to those controls. Once the app is ready, choose rear or front camera and compose your shot. This ensures the remote triggers the correct function. You should test the remote. A single brief press usually takes a photo, while a long press may start video. If the behavior differs, check camera mode. Make small adjustments to responsiveness in the app settings, if available. Finish by mounting your phone on a tripod and enabling a short timer to avoid shake. This gives you consistent results when the shutter triggers. If the remote doesn't respond, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, then repair the device. Most connectivity problems resolve that way. If problems persist, restart the phone and clear the camera app cache to remove stale input mappings. This fixes permission or focus conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: verify the remote.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.